Welcome to
FabLab.
Bangalore.
Hey, I am the machinist here. I'll help you from design to prototype.
Hi, I'm Avid Beta. I'm a design engineer here. So I'll help you to make the design for the prototyping.
Hi, I'm Richard Gomes and I'm the main Fab Academy instructor here at FabLab Bangalore all around you. I'm responsible for ensuring that you have the best experience learning not just about Fab Academy but any one of our assorted programs and getting started with learning technology for your own responsible innovation. So if there's any idea that you ever thought of making but didn't know where to start, come to FabLab Bangalore so that we can actually help you take your idea from the concept in your head to the machine behind me and to some prototype that you can hold in your hand. That's what we're here for. Just give us a call and reach us anytime.